first time too.
That picture we have there in the front, okay? This is the Pelican Rock and Pelican Beach, guys. That one is the best place for make the circle and the scuba dive. Only people that they come to here for make the circle, they come to here to see the Mexican piranha. And in a few minutes we go to see by...
Oh, cool. There's fish. Come here, fishy fish. That's cool. Wow,
And you put for swimming, and for swimming, this is really worth it. Because this is the Mexican reward. This is the fastest word in Cabo. To see one rock formation like I had a dog or a Scooby-Dooby-Doo.
yeah, I see it. Yeah.
This is the Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Y hoy tenemos el famoso arco, atracción de los Cabos San Lucas. El arco, más famoso que Mickey Mouse. 1, 2, 3, y dice tequila.
Tequila.
Wow, he looks so cute. Oh, is there something on the bottom? Like, yum yum, eat it. Did they kiss? Yeah. They kiss. That's cute. So we had a great time in Cabo. We did the glass bottom boat tour. It was like $15 a person. They'll take you to the couples beach and divorce beach, pick you up and take you back to the port whenever you're done. Did the hair for my little son, $15 too. Took him around 30 minutes. And you can just walk around. There's a lot of things to buy. We bought some souvenirs. There's a lot more you could do if you want to stay longer and if you wanted to go to the bars. But we had a great time. Hope you guys enjoyed watching the video and leave your comments down below. Until next time, stay hungry, fellow foodies. Bye. Caleb. Yee-hee.